Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this. Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this sad problem which is very viral and have unique approach. And if you have already solved this, comment your answer. I will give them heart. Okay. So our question is root under 50 plus root under 8. So if you think that 50 plus root 8, that is 58, then this will be the wrong answer. To solve this in a correct way, we will do step by step math. So root 50 can be written as 25 times 2 root plus root 8. Okay. Now as we know that 25, which is square of 5, okay, like this will be 25. So we will simply write like 5 square into 2 plus, even here we can also write that is 4, that means 8, which is 4 into 2 or 2 square into 2. So for 8 we will write 2 square into 2, and as we know the square and the under root which cancel out, so 5 root 2 will be remain and 2 root 2. Okay, now what we have to do, we both have root 2 in common, so we will root 2 outside and we will write like this. So here we can write 5 plus 2, which is 7 times root 2. This will be answer. And for those who want to expand this under root problem, then we will write like 7 square into 2, that is 49 into 2, that is root 98. So both are the right answer, but we will prefer this one. So if you think this type of question you want more and want more solve, then subscribe our channel and check out our best books in the description. Thanks for watching.